Hello everybody, my name is Destiny, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove the green screen effect in DaVinci Resolve. So let's begin. So first you want to go to DaVinci, of course, and this is how you do it. So let's say that we have a background here and we want to, let's say, put this, like the subscribe button over this so that the green thing disappears. So how do we do it? First you want to go to the Fusion tab here, and then you want to go to effects, type in delta care, and drag this in between these two sections like here. And now we want to go and select the background color, so drag this to this green part here, bomb. Now return to the edit section, and now as you can see, the subscribe thingy is over the background without the green thingy. Bum. And yeah, as you can see, quite simple. Everything works. Also, we can like rescale this if you want. You can click on transform. You can like rescale. You can rescale this like the subscribe thingy depending on your desires, and pretty much yeah, that's it. It's quite simple and fast. This was it from this tutorial, boys and girls. If you want more tutorials, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your spicy day. Bye.